to share your screen.
How will I do it?
Okay. To the top right, there is a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. Just check the Microsoft Teams window. You should find a rectangle with an arrow pointing up, closer to either the microphone or the video. There is a particular rectangle that you can click on.
Can you see me? I think I've gone blank.
Blank. I can see you. So you navigate to the Teams tab. Are you
Okay,
connected?
so where they've written the apps.
Okay, okay. Are you using Microsoft Teams application or you joined through the browser
I'm on the Teams.
on the Teams? Okay, so if you're on the Teams, then probably it should be at the top right. Can you take a picture of the screen and send it to me on WhatsApp so that I can
Okay,
direct you? So you can just take a picture
I'll
of
do
it with
that
your
quickly.
phone. Okay. No, no, no. Um,
I'm at the wrong side, right?
yes. Um, okay. You close the tab and join again. But
Okay,
when joining, okay, no, don't close it. Have you seen at the bottom right there is Microsoft Teams,
okay.
the the app. I think you connected using the app.
Oh, okay, I've seen it.
You've seen the app. So once you
Yeah.
click on it, you should see my picture. Do you see
Yes,
mine? Good.
I'm
Good.
seeing you.
So you should find at the top right corner there is a rectangle with an arrow pointing up, or when you put a mouse where we have the video, the microphone, there is a rectangle. So once you
Yeah,
click on it, share, you should have options. So we have window, we have entire screen. But you still can't find it. If you can take a picture of
I'm
the,
seeing gallery. Or probably where I am is wrong.
so you take a picture, excuse me,
Okay.
and send it to me.
Gallery, speaker, select max gallery,
Mhm.
prioritize video, more options.
No, no.
Not that same.
You just take a picture and send it to me. Let me
Okay,
take it.
let me screenshot quickly.
Yeah. Okay. So have you seen the top right? We have after the microphone there is share. So when you click on share, what do you see? I want to see that bit next to the leave button. That is if you want to leave the meeting or end the meeting.
Okay, okay, that's
So
share.
that's share.
Okay,
Yes. So when you click on the share, we have screen. Do you see screen?
okay, screen. I see.
So tap on the screen, then you click on share. There should be another option for sharing. You've turned off. Now I can see your entire screen. So is it okay now? So this is how to share your entire screen.
Okay, okay.
Fine.
I've learned it today.
Yes, yes, it's all part of the learning. Don't worry. Okay, so now that you have the GMetrix, did you download it on your? You need to download the SMS and install it on your system. So
Yeah, I
go
think
to
I
your.
did that.
You did that. So you need to
Yes, I
sign
did
in.
that.
You need to sign in using that. But here is
Yeah,
also fine.
yes, I've signed in. I'm in now.
Okay, that's fine.
Can you see
So
it?
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
Uh-huh.
So
I,
now
I,
yes. So now you want to start with Microsoft Word, right?
yes, word.
Okay. So let's go to skill review one. Scroll down. Scroll down. We have skill review one.
Oh, okay.
Aha. Now click on start.
Start.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we have two options with a mode. We have testing and training. So let us
Okay.
go to training.
Okay.
Yes. Now click on start test. So since you have the application installed, it will launch the application for you. No, you've not downloaded it. So click on download GMetrix SMS. Did you download and
Oh, okay.
install?
I,
You
I
did
think
not.
that when I download, I wouldn't have access because the administrator controls those things. Okay, let me try
Aha.
and see.
So you download it first.
Let me try
Then
and see if it can work.
what we will do later on is to let the administrator install it. So download the SMS 7. Yeah. Just there. Yeah. For Windows. Yeah. SMS 7.
Okay.
Okay. Now go and double tap on it to install. And I suspect you will need administrative privileges to install it. What do you see? You should see a yes to install, and it will ask for the administrative account details,
Yes.
like the username and
En-
the password.
Enter username and password.
Yes,
Exactly.
yes. So unfortunately, we cannot continue.
You
So
can't. But
let
I think from here,
mhm.
I can pick it up.
Yes, yes.
So I
So
think
what
after I download, then I'll start the practice
that is
or
it.
the training.
That is it. But I'll need to walk you through the first steps, the initial steps. And have you had a chance to go through the videos on YouTube?
No, I haven't. Always up and
Good.
running.
Okay. Because you need to find time to understand the interface. So you can go back to your teams and stop sharing so that we can have that conversation.
Okay.
So go back to the teams and stop sharing. On your taskbar, minimize, minimize, move your mouse, move your mouse down. Um Go back to the teams on your taskbar. Yes, So now stop sharing. Okay. So I'll send you the link to the YouTube channel.
Okay.
For Microsoft Word, I recorded 13 or 14 videos explaining each tab, groups,
Okay.
dialog box launches. So for
Okay.
you to be a specialist, you need to have a solid understanding of okay, home tab, clipboard group, font group, editing group, paragraph group, styles group. You need to understand it. Why do I need to go to this particular tab, to this particular group to perform a particular function? So once you've
Okay.
grasped the concept, then you can start with the GMetrix practice exercises.
Okay.
So please try. I know you are a busy guy with work and everything, but at least just find about 30 minutes a day. Or if you cannot do 30, 15 minutes a day, just go through the videos and at least within a week you should be done going through all of them.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll
So
try.
yes, so if you have any issues with it, just send me a message on WhatsApp, then we will take it up from there.
All right. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Vivi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.